Hi folks, this is Victor with DIY Time channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can download owner's manual as well as service and maintenance guide for your Toyota, Lexus or Scion, absolutely free, instant download in PDF format and from a reliable source. So here's what you're going to need to do. Go to Google search and look for Tech Info Toyota, or you can simply type techinfo.toyota.com in the address bar, and you'll get to the official Toyota Tech Information System website. Here we're going to click on Manuals tab. Next you're going to need to choose the division, Lexus, Scion or Toyota, the vehicle model, in my case it's going to be Highlander hybrid vehicle, model year, I'll choose 2010. You can also choose a language, English, Spanish or French, and then you click on Search button. You will get a list of all guides and manuals for your car available for free download. Here you will find various documents such as Emergency Response Guide, iPod Interface Owner's Manual, Remote Engine Starter Owner's Guide, Dismantling Manual, Navigation System Quick Reference Guide, Warranty and Maintenance Guide, Owner's Manual, and more. You may also find programming instructions for ignition key and car remote if that function is supported on your car. You can click on any document on this list and you can either read it on your computer, tablet or smartphone, or you can download and save it on your device. You can also print the entire document or just individual pages. That's pretty much it. I hope this information was helpful for some of you, and if so, please leave a comment below. I love reading your comments, I read every single one of them. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please consider to do so. I share a lot of useful tutorials, projects, and repair guides on this channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.